How are you, my dear learners? I hope you are well, safe and secure at your home during COVID-19. Dear learners, I am Ruhul Amin, Assistant Teacher, Civil High School, Bogula. Dear learners, today I am going to discuss sentence in structure for class 9 English second paper. So be ready with your khata and your pen and pencil. Look at the board very carefully and listen to me. Sentence. Today we will discuss these three types of sentence. Number one, simple. Two, complex. Three, compound. Simple. What is simple sentence? Dear learners, you have to know what is simple sentence, what is complex sentence, and what is compound sentence. Before changing sentence from simple to complex, complex to simple, simple to compound, compound to simple, compound to complex, complex to compound, we have to know the structure of this sentence. The learners, what is simple sentence? The sentence which has only one subject and one predicate or only one finite verb is called simple sentence. It's called simple sentence. Simple sentence. Simple sentence. Dear learners, write down your khata very carefully. The sentence which has only one subject and one predicate or only one finite verb is called simple sentence. Look it clearly, attentively. We eat to live. We eat to live. We eat to live. Here is an example of simple sentence. Here you can see only one subject and only one predicate. Subject, subject, predicate. Predicate. Only one subject and predicate. We eat to live. Here we subject and it is predicate. We can see here only one finite verb. Only one finite verb. Finite verb. Finite verb. You can see only finite verb here. You can see another verb here. To live. To live. It is infinitive. To plus verb. To plus verb base form. To plus verb base form. So it is. We can see. We can adjust the sentence. We can analyze the sentence here. Subject, only one subject, only one predicate, and only one finite verb. Let's go for the next sentence. Here, complex, complex, complex. We can make the simple sentence into complex. How? Notice it clearly. We eat so that we can live. We can live. Dear learners, look it attentively. Here we can see only one subject, one predicate, conjunction, subject, predicate. Here, why it is complex sentence? Why it is complex sentence? If in a sentence we can see two subjects or more than two subjects, more than one subjects, and we can see more than predicates and the conjunction, subordinating conjunction. Here we can see subordinating conjunction. Actually, subordinating conjunction used in complex sentence. It is also the symbol of to understand complex sentence. Let's go the definition. What is complex sentence? The sentence which has one principal or main clause. Main clause, the sentence which has one principal clause or main clause and more than subordinate clause. Subordinate or dependent clause. Dependent clause. subordinate or dependent clause is called complex sentence. Complex sentence. Dear learners, listen to me and look it attentively. Here we can see this is principal, main clause. Main clause. Here we can see main clause, only one main clause, and subordinating conjunction that connect two sentences with subordinate clause. Here, subordinate clause, we eat main clause, so that here subordinating conjunction, and we can leave here subordinate clause. Here you can see only one clause. Besides, you can notice here the more than subordinate dependent clauses maybe is called complex sentence. The sentence which has only one principal or main clause and which is more than subordinate or dependent clause. You can see complex sentence more than dependent clause, subordinate clause, but only one main clause, only one principal clause should be in complex sentence. Dear learners, what kind of conjunction should use when we change sentence from simple to complex? What kind of conjunction we use in complex sentence? You have to understand and see it. We eat to live. Here the purpose is expressed. The purpose is expressed so that the subordinate conjunction, so that it is here. If a sentence, simple sentence expresses purposes, at the time of changing the sentence from simple to complex, we use so that as conjunction at the middle of the two sentences. To add to sentence, we use so that. So, dear learner, subordinate conjunction you should know. Write down in your khata. These are subordinating conjunctions. Although, write down very carefully. So that if, till, until, since, as, because, before, after, unless, when, where, why, what, who, whom, etc. The learners, we can use these conjunctions in complex sentence when we change simple sentence into complex sentence. Yes, these conjunctions are used in complex sentence to add subordinate clause with principal or main clause. So these conjunctions are subordinating conjunctions. Dear learners, write down in your khata very carefully. Dear learners, no more today. In the next class, we will discuss simple complex compound sentence in details. Be happy and safe at your home. Thank you, everybody.